This is our Terra 5-foot sickle bar mower. We originally designed this to run on our boom mounted mower that goes on skid steers, but we made this handy little mount here that just clamps onto the tube, so you can either run it on an excavator, a backhoe. We've actually got them mounted on airboats down in the Gulf right now doing cleanup. This thing can run underwater. It's completely sealed. It's got 2-inch segments on it. They're super heavy duty segments, so they really cut well. You can go along a ditch. You can cut grass, we do a lot of canary weed here, but it'll do branches just very, very easily. You'll want to use this in areas where there's a lot of people around, or you just don't want to have anything thrown out on a road if there's cars or something like that. It's super, super safe to use this thing. You'll absolutely love it. I'm going to give you a demonstration now. When you see just how this runs, you'll understand just why it's so able to cut all the material that you'll run into on the side of a road. What's really cool about this attachment is it can be used underwater. So Skid Steer Solutions is proud to announce our first aquatic underwater mower. You can actually put this underwater, operate it, cut off weeds, whatever in ponds. It works ideally for those situations.